Today in this video, we'll learn some important questions and answers for the upcoming IOCL Apprenticeship examinations, All India Limited examinations, and ONGC or any other competitive examination, public sector undertaking, all competitive examinations. These questions are very important. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Sec value are used for answer for unidirectional flow. The main constituent of natural gas is methane. LPG stands for liquefied petroleum gas. Sauerkraut means sulfur compounds bearing truth. Sweetening of petroleum product means the removal of sulfur and its compounds. Octane number of gasoline is a measure of its knocking tendency. Octane number of n-heptane is 0. Good quality kerosene should have high smoke point. Cracking is an endothermic reaction. Catalyst used in the catalytic cracking is silica alumina. Question number 11. Glass pipes can be joined by bell and spigot joint. Question number 12. The valve commonly used in pipes larger than 2 inch dia is a gate valve. The valve used very remote and accurate control valve of fluid is a needle valve. Propellers are the axial flow mixture. Boiler feed water pump is usually a pump multi-stage centrifugal, the most widely used coagulant for removing suspended impurities from water is alum. Commercially, ethylene is produced from naphtha by pyrolysis. Question number 18. A typical example of an exothermic reaction conducted by high pressure in industry is polymerization of ethylene. Molecularity of an elementary reaction P plus Q minus R plus S is 2. The dimension of rate constant for reaction 3A tends to be R HR per G mole minute. Therefore, the reaction order is 2. The Cronson diffusivity of is dependent on the molecular velocity and pore radius of the catalyst. Grashof number is associated with free convection. In the fine tube heat exchanger, both heat transfer area and film coefficient are augmented. The condition that is not necessary for the applicability of Bernoulli's equation is irrotational. For an ideal fluid flow, the Reynolds number is infinity. The sphericity of a cylinder of 1 cm diameter and length 3 cm is 0.78. The kinetic energy of gas molecules is 0 at minus 273 degrees Celsius. Mixing of two fluids is an irreversible process. Next question. At the inversion point, Joule-Thomson coefficient is 0. Lewis number equal to 1 signifies PR equal to SC. The time constant of a first order system with resistance R and capacitance C is RC. Rubber latex is an example of pseudoplastic fluid. The monomer of polyvinyl chloride PVC is chloroethane. Sphericity of pulverized coil is 1 Gutter. Working principle of radiation parameter is based on the Stefan-Boltzmann law. Petroleum is optically active. Main constituent of natural gas is methane. LPG stands for liquefied petroleum gas. Which of the following is a naphthalene? Cyclohexane. Sweetening of petroleum product means the removal of sulfur and its compound. Sauerkraut means Sulfur compounds bearing crude. Octane number of gasoline is a measure of its knocking tendency. Octane number and heptane is assumed to be zero. Tetraethyl lead is added in gasoline to increase its octane number. Cetane number of a diesel fuel is the measure of its ignition delay. Good quality kerosene should have high smoking point. The octane number of aviation gasoline may be less than 100. Diesel index is defined as API into aniline point F greater than by 100. And which of the following has the highest octane number? Aromatics. Viscosity index of a lubricating oil is the measure of variation of viscosity with temperature. Power point of a petrofuel is 5 degrees Celsius below the temperature at which oil ceases to flow. Flash point of an oil is determined by the Pense-Martin's apparatus. Rate vapor pressure of gasoline is a measure of its vapor locking tendency. Aniline point is the measure at which equal volume of aniline and the test sample are completely miscible. Petroleum is a mixture of microcrystalline wax in viscous hydrocarbon liquids. Presence of sulfur in gasoline leads to corrosion. Crude topping column operates at atmospheric pressure. The main aim of cracking is to produce gasoline. So these are some of the important question answers. Today we discuss up to 1 to 58 questions. If you like this video, uh, please comment in the comment section that if you really like this video, please comment in the comment box. And that's all for the today's video. So thank you very much. Thanks for watching this video. Okay.